Sorry for the break in transmission. Let's go again. This time we hope nothing goes wrong. So I'm just going to move a bit faster, but I want us to, you know, we are all, I want to assume we are all starting from scratch, you understand? So if I say let's rush through the basics, waiting again, you get, there's no point. So let's take our time to establish some of these basics. So you said something that I'm going to correct. You said light. So light is, we use light when you are creating videos, right? It's not a media. It's not it has nothing to do with the media files. It has to do with the process of creating those media files. Just like microphones and all those things, sound. You get, yeah. Lights. Light is just a property of camera. Let's just leave it like that first. Uh-huh. Not exactly. We can say graphics too because usually graphics include several things. Graphics could be PSD, graphics could be SVG, graphics could be. I'm just mentioning formats of graphics, right? So images is the third one, right? Which includes graphics, which includes let's say pictures. I'm still going to include graphics under images, sure. Graphics. We can even say animations. Let's put animations on a separate line. Let's put animation on a separate line. Animations could be videos, but not really. Right? Animations, not really. So if you check like that logo animation we use in voltage stuff, it's an animation, but it's not a video and it's not an image. It loops several images. And so we won't talk about that. What actually makes up a video? We'll talk about that. So what makes up a video? Videos are moving pictures, right? Videos are actually moving pictures. And there are several properties of a video that we will look at. But in this lesson, this is just the introduction. So we're going to look at how to gather some of these media files that we'll be using. So this animation, I'll say for example, like a logo animation. Okay. All those subscribe button, right? It's an animation. Subscribe now, all those kind of stuff. Then let's say what do you call those things? Title animations, right? Where you want to put, maybe you want to put like the name of the person that is speaking. Those are animations. So they are not videos, but they are not pictures too. All right. Okay. There are also something called LUTs and stuff like that. So, now in proper video editing, there's something called sound design. Let's say you record a video of you go to the you go to like a forest. So assume you can go to a forest and record a video. There are some sounds you expect to hear, unlike if you go to the city. So if you go to the city and you record a video, you expect to hear maybe horn, car horn, you know. Yes, those those sounds. So those are um those are sounds, right? But we have SFX, which are SFX is actually short for sound effect, right? So take notes. The word the FX is short for effect in in uh, in video editing. So you see that a lot. You see FX, especially in Premiere Pro. If you apply an effect, you see the FX logo will now start glowing. Alright. So whenever you apply an effect on something, that's FX. So sound effects could be transition sounds. Whoosh. You get it's not juju be that. That's not sound. Yes. Or you want to indicate suspense. Dun dun dun. Yeah, or something like that, right? Yeah. So those things they what's the word now? They emphasize a particular scene. They highlight the emotion. They enhance how you relate with it. If I mute a particular something, if I let me look for let's do a quick. Let's do a quick. This is a new video that's gained millions of followers on the internet. No, it's my wallpaper is connected to ArtStation, so artworks keep changing. You get? It's not. I'm not the one that chooses it. So let's go to YouTube and let's see something. Let's just look at what sound effects can do. There's this animation that just blew up recently. I wish I could find it. Animation. I hope I find it. Yeah, this one, animation with addiction. It just came up 1 month ago. Look at 9 million views. It's very popular. So let's look at why it's popular. Are you listening to the sound effect? We'll watch it without sound effects and with sound effects and see which one you like better. So let me switch my screen to this one. Okay. So take a look at this animation. Let's do it without sound, right? See if it make any sense to you. Okay. So you see video, right? You see, you get, so the ambience is looking good, but you may not be able to tell much. Even if there was voiceover, even if there was audio, maybe narrating what's going on, it will still be flat, it will still be dry. So it's like sprinkling sugar, it's like icing in the cake. So let's go back and listen to what's the sound design that is behind this with sound. We know that his foot is not supposed to be that loud, but he just want to emphasize the footstep. Imagine walking on a desert. This is not how it will sound. But this is. So every action they are emphasizing it with a sound. Button. So the button sound was added to that. You see. So if you look at this animation, the video may just be one layer, but you see layers of sound to make this thing possible. There is a background music playing that is communicating something, a peaceful kind of sound. You see? Is it? Take the button with yourself. Yeah, that's actually the point. If we go back and you have to take the button. See that water? Indicated that it was swimming. There's a message in the video, Sha. Well, you watch it in your own time. Let's go on. It's actually communicating how addiction works. He's addicted to the button, so he now needs more of the button to get the same feeling. Yeah. So usually the way I will follow YouTube, if I see something that looks good like this, I'm like, okay, maybe this guy has a lot to offer. And you can tell he has 30 million subscribers. You don't do that by mistake on YouTube. You can't have 30 million by mistake. Even some of the biggest YouTubers don't have 2 million. So what I do is I check their channel and see what else they have to offer. So apparently it does a lot of stick animation like this. Alright. And it's very simple. Well, well, not that simple. Yeah.
Aside those music and all, like the real, footsteps,
10 years ago.
was it recorded?
I think I remember this video. Did anybody see this video that year? Ten years ago, wow. If those sounds were recorded, there are people that record them. So the way you get stock clips, you get stock sounds too. Yeah. You actually get stock sounds too. You can get some for free.
Many of those people that do animations, they create many of it.
Yeah.
And those SpongeBob's.
You understand? But you just hear how he highlights everything, even the keyboard sound. So it's almost like he has to put a mic very close to the keyboard, just to emphasize, just to emphasize that it's clicking keyboard. So even these keyboard sounds can be downloaded. You get. So the thing is sensing. Anyway, you get the point. So this guy is not even putting voiceover. What you are enjoying is the sound effect. You see? So sound effects are very, very good. Anyway, let's move on.
What kind of stiffness is this one?
After
After
that,
this.
The The guy is just sending virus through through the guys. I don't know his phone. The guy is in his phone. So that's gone off.